Good morning, REA. This update is going to come with two videos linked, one with our regular local news and information, and the second one about the Education Minnesota Rep Convention that took place this weekend. So let's get started with our local news and information. May Day is May 1st. May Day is a date that we traditionally celebrate unionism and solidarity. This year, I have three relatively simple asks of you. One, everybody please check your voter registration and make a plan to vote. I'm including a link to check your voter registration. Two, wear red on May 1st and take pictures with your colleagues after work. Share these pictures with either me or Carrie Sparks. And three, attend the May Day Strong Rally at Soldiers Field from 5 to 7 p.m. on May 1st. The flyer is attached. Please try your best to do at least one and maybe even all three of these requests. Next, retirement workshops. Once again, our friends at Educators Financial Services will be hosting retirement workshops for our members. The dates and locations are May 5th from 4:15 to 5:15 in the Century Forum, May 6th from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the Mulkey Center at Mayo High School, and May 7th from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the Rocket Center at John Marshall. These workshops are open to all members but are extremely helpful to those retiring in the next year. Please sign up using the attached link. Next, attend a board meeting. REA is beginning a campaign for workload caseload limits that will lead up to negotiations starting in early 2027. Our first event is to attend the May 19th school board meeting. We will meet at Pasquale's Pizzeria for a pizza dinner at 4 p.m. and then march to Edison in time for the public comments at 5:30. Our target is 25 members. Currently, we have 15 members signed up. Please consider joining us and get some pizza courtesy of REA, and I'll include the link to the sign up. Next, Healthcare Action Leader, or HCAL, update. As you know, one of Education Minnesota's legislative priorities is a statewide system of healthcare for educators. REA has two HCAL leaders who are staying abreast of the happenings in St. Paul. Here is their update. The legislative session is scheduled to end by May 18th. The split in the House has been challenging. However, EGIP, which is the name of the statewide healthcare plan, EGIP has been heard in three committees: the Senate Education Policy, the House State Government, and House Education Finance. There will be a clone bill dropping. The current bill is full in the House, 34 signatures, so there will be another one so that we can have more people sign on for support. There's also a data report bill in the works, Senate File 1201 and House File 1049/4472. The state does not collect complete data on health insurance and all the costs for districts and their employees. This bill would create a requirement for districts to report certain data each year to the state. The data reporting bill will provide the needed information for legislators and their staff to make decisions, estimations, and projections. The goal is to get it passed this session. If we can, the survey would come out in July and they would have about 90 days to complete it. We will have all numbers by next December to compile what we need for the next session, which will begin January 3rd. Finally, HCAL will be having a meeting with Amy Klobuchar on Friday, May 1st. This is a part of the process to seek our endorsement, but also share our EGIP story with her. Staying in the political realm, candidate support, REA endorsed candidate for State Senate Simon Glaser is requesting your help. Simon is looking for volunteers to host a meet and greet, do door knocking, and other things in his campaign. Please reach out to Simon at simon.j.glaser@gmail.com if you are interested in helping him with his campaign. Finally, the REA Banquet is just around the corner. This year's banquet will be held on May 14th at Willow Creek Golf Club. Please RSVP for the banquet by May 7th, and I'm including a link for that. Also, all members who are retiring at the end of this year or mid-year next year, please take a moment to fill out the retirement survey for our banquet planners. 2026 Pride is just around the corner. Pride will take place at Soldiers Field on May 16th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There are still a few shifts left to fill at the REA table at Pride. Please use the attached link to volunteer. That's the end of the first video. This week is unique. I will be including a second video for those of you who are interested in the happenings at the Education Minnesota Rep Convention this weekend. That will come in a separate video, also linked in your email. I hope you have a great day, and I really will be talking to you soon this time.